What's up, everybody? I am back today with a Amazon product review. I ordered, I think I told you in the last video, I had ordered a couple of shipments. One of my other shipments I got in from Amazon was these face mask filters. For the ones that, actually I can show you. Some of you guys might have this kind of mask. I actually love this mask. It's cloth, so you can wash it. But on the inside, it has a little pocket for you to put filters in it. And when I originally bought this one, MP 2.5, and you see how large that is. And you know, you kind of just put it in half, slide it in. You have your front filter with the MP on it, and your back filter is supposed to be the Charcol. Now this is my old one. My new ones came in from Amazon, and I ordered it, I think it's from Better Looks. Of course the packaging I kept because it has a different name on it, and I'm actually doing some conversation back and forth with them. I'm also going to actually post this on Amazon, and the reason being is these guys, I got 50 filters for I think $11.96, and they come packaged really well. 5 in each of these little plastic separate containers, and they all came packaged in this, which I honestly love. Thumbs up on that. Thumbs up on the shipping. It was quick shipping. They estimated it would be about a month, but I think it really came in like 2 weeks possibly. So that's all thumbs up. But let's get to the actual product itself, ladies and gentlemen. So I actually already cut this one in half. I didn't want to waste a lot of them because we only know how long we'll have to use this stuff. But anyway, I didn't cut this one in half, but I guess I can now since I'm no longer going to use it. This is the old one that I'm actually going to throw away. So y'all see I'm just cutting into it. It is one. Sorry, because the reason why I'm doing this is also, like I said, for Amazon. 2, 3, 4 layers is the first original one I had. And I feel like, honestly, it feels pretty thick if you see how that looks on the inside. It was pretty decent. So the ones I got out of this package, I'm only on my second one. There's one in here, and they recommend, I read on one of the other Amazon, I guess you want to call them stores, that you should probably change your filter every 3 days, 2 to 3 days, depending on how much you're using it outside. As y'all know, we only leave the house in quick spurts, so we probably could last maybe a little longer possibly. But anywho, I cut this in half because I was having some conversation with the seller. I felt like this was really thin, and again, 1, 2, 3 filters, and they was like, oh, you know, it's 5. So I had to literally rip this thing apart to get 5 layers. So there's 1, there's 2, and as you see, it's pretty thin. And this, I guess, is the Charcol. That's 3, that's 4, and that's 5. But you know, why can't they just sell this as a 2-layer item? I mean, those other layers. Now this one, the person who I bought it from didn't say, honestly. But the quality, like I said, it'll work. But the quality is totally like different. Like you can barely see through this one. You can see through this one. This second layer here is, I guess, is like the backup filter layer. This second layer in the original one I had is more like a little bit like a felt kind of feeling. Then they both got this thin Charcol here, if y'all can see the difference. And you see how on this one the PM came all the way through the product, and this one it didn't. then there's this little sheet here. Oh, well, no, it's actually that. Okay, so this felt, and this is the last felt here. This one is a little, oh no, it's two. This one is the softer feel, and then this is like nylon. I guess you can see right through it. But anyway, I did this review to say to you guys, just be careful in the products that you're purchasing online. Make sure you read the comments below. I did read the comments below the one I ordered. I just didn't know. I mean, it's not bad, but their 5 layers quality that they're claiming is not necessarily 5 layers of good quality. Like I said, this one, well, I chopped the PM off of this one. I apologize, but this, you know, they just put an extra piece of fabric basically back here so that it all looks white. This is the original one that came with the mask, and this is the one I ordered. I mean, I'll use it because I'm me, but you know, you might want to do more research if you want more of a better quality. And like I said, I have one in here already, as you guys see. You got to put it in on like an angle, and then once you feed it through, sure, yes, sorry, here we go. Once you feed it through, put it on. You can hear me. Probably sound a little muffled. I don't have it as flat as I should. This vial, I don't necessarily know if it's doing anything, but to me, this mask is more comfortable than the paper ones I was using. So, yep, that's the end of my review for the Better Looks filters on Amazon. Like I said, I got 50 for $11.96. If you actually go in there right now, it is 50 for $5.99, ladies and gentlemen. I said $5.99. And they changed their names up. It's something going on strange with the sellers from China, that they're trying to bargain each other out of a sale. So just be careful in what you're ordering. Make sure that whatever you're clicking on is what you actually want. And before you hit pay, that you read it one more time. I'm just so sad if I had waited another week. I got these for less than half price. Will I go back and order from them? Probably not. I would probably try another seller first, just so I could compare the quality of them and which one's better. Like I said, I don't know. For some reason, I really took to the original filter. This one looks, I guess, better. Maybe they could have, if they would have put another little piece on the back of this would have been really high quality product. I don't know the name of this. Like I said, we bought this one from a flea market. Oh wait, I do have the bag. I don't know if I do have the bag. I don't know if you can get these on Amazon. I could probably take a look. It's called Fashion Mask. That's the package that our original mask came in. So if you want to look those up, like I said, they're really comfortable. I actually have some more coming in later, which I'll probably do a review on. But you guys, just check it out. I mean, it's good for breathing for me. My hubby, he seems to feel the same way about it. The cool thing about this mask, yeah, I know I led from the filters into the mask, but it's helpful. The cool thing about this mask is they have these little things on the end so you can adjust it. So even if you wanted to buy this for a kid and just bring it closer to protect their ears, because a lot of people have been making these, and you know, thank you for everybody who takes time to make these. But the hard part is that some people thought it was easier than what it is, and their masks are not necessarily fitting people's face. So it's better to, and unfortunately a lot of people don't list masks in size, like small, you know, they got kid and adult, but you know, adult woman face is not the same size as an adult man's face. So I really wish they would probably put sizes on these. That's the reason why I'm kind of trying so many. But I definitely wanted to get away from the paper one because honestly, I didn't feel like, I mean, it was, I know it's better than having nothing, But also I learned a little trick with the paper mask. One of my nieces shared with me that you could put a paper towel in there to help filter, you know, before I knew about these, help filter some of the dust and everything away from you. And it's been really helpful, honestly, for my allergies and my sinuses as I've been wearing them. So, you know, maybe we could look on the bright side of things. I know it's a little frustrating. It's hard when you're not able to look at people's face in their eyes and see them smiling and things, but you know, we got to be safe, guys. So I pray that all you guys are out there being safe. You're taking care of yourselves and your family. And, you know, keep your mask on, guys, or keep it close nearby. You know, they have so many kinds and shapes now. They have ones that go around your neck, and, you know, you can have it halfway hanging off your ear. I usually, as y'all see when y'all watch our videos, I usually wear mine like this. And I only pull it up when I get to the store. So, thank you guys again for watching our videos. This is Crystal Real Nesta coming at you with a filter / mask review. If you guys have anything else out there, any questions or concerns, y'all can put it down in the comment. I'll answer as best as I can. And for right now, no, I do not have a favorite label or anything that I'm repping. I just, you know, care about the people and want to do this honest reviews for you guys so you can know what you're purchasing in the future. Thank you guys. God bless. Peace.